Death had come to claim the girl's soul, but her centuries-old scythe had stopped working. The girl could clearly see Death standing before her, yet she wasn't scared at all. Instead, she asked casually, "Are you here to beat me up or what?" She even tried to touch the scythe, but Death, who had an obsession with cleanliness, panicked. The moment the girl touched the lower part of the scythe, it shattered into pieces. Now weaponless, Death had no choice but to return to the underworld. But the girl called out, "I can fix it, come with me." Helpless, Death followed. But the girl started talking and talking and talking. She chatted non-stop all the way until even Death's mind began to spin. Suddenly, the girl tripped and fell to the ground, and for the first time, Death felt peace. She even smiled a little. That's when the girl took her chance. She shook a tree branch over Death's head as punishment and mocked Death's tiny smile. After some time, they reached an old temple. Inside stood a statue holding a scythe, exactly like Death's. When Death extended her hand, the statue dropped the scythe on its own. Death lifted it, tapped it gently on the floor, and it gleamed, brand new. Just then, the temple bell chimed. Death thought, now I should send her off. But when she heard the girl whisper, "I'm an orphan," something melted inside her. The girl hugged Death, and for the first time, Death felt warmth, an actual human emotion. The girl waved goodbye and walked away. But outside, a dark horse carriage waited for her, the one that had now come to finish Death's job.